Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this new episode of this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use your horizontal tools on your TradingView. So if you want to mark out your charts, how to use your horizontal tool in doing that. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, thank you. So right here is our trading view. So all you just need to do is click on your chart right here, or if you don't want to click on your chart, then you can search for any currency pair or any crypto pair you want to use for this example. So for this example I'm going to be using USD card. So once I click on it, I'll tap right here for my chart to be bigger. Once I tap on it, so this is how it is now. So how do you add in your horizontal tools, and what are the horizontal tools used for? The horizontal tools are used for marking your support and resistance, and so on and so forth. So the horizontal tools are only used for marking out your support and resistance. So now, where and how do you add your horizontal tools to your chart? So you can see right here on our chart, right here where you're seeing this pencil tool, you just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is our horizontal ray and this is our horizontal line. What are the differences between horizontal ray and horizontal line? So you're going to find out now. So once I click on horizontal ray, you can see once I mark this place, let's take for example, I mark this place. Now this is how horizontal ray is. It only marks from where you want it to start and to where you want it to end, right? So this is the use of horizontal ray, and you can reduce it, you can add it, you can reduce it to any of your size, and you can also change the line. Do you want it to be dash? Do you want it to be dash? Do you want to be dotted, or do you want it to be line? And you can also change the color, right? So now let's check our horizontal line. So let's find out the difference. Once I click on it, you can see our horizontal line. So let's mark right here. You can see that our horizontal line marks the full chart, right? You can see that it has marked the full chart, while our horizontal ray only marks from where you want it to mark up to this extent, but our horizontal line marks the full chart. So this is the simplest way on how to add horizontal lines and horizontal tools to your chart. So now, how do you add them to your favorite? You go back again to where this pencil is, you click on it. Once you tap on it and hold, you can see I've already added them to my favorite. So if I want to remove them from my favorite, I will just go ahead and tap on this star right here. So once you have not added them to your favorite, once you tap and hold, they are going to say add to your favorite. So let's see if we can add any pair to our favorite. So let's take for example, we want to add this to our favorite. You can see add to favorite here. So once I click on add to favorite at this star, you can see it has already added into my favorite. You can see right here it has added to my favorite. So this is the simplest way of adding tools to your trading view and using horizontal ray and horizontal line on your trading view. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching this video up to this time. See you in the next video.